Welcome back my YouTube channel. Arpautli kikidak kishin sain kipapan bakajeng kanne hado bakot. Nadap hiya sengajung mentoy na kaneka video wanam kled ban share lem sheki perlok nane hayeng sem jongpi wanam kled ru ban like share and subscribe ya kaneka channel. You trust each other. Kasi Pishanya iway. You have accepted each other's past. Kasi pipdiang iway ya ka kabala dap. You both admit when you are wrong. Kasi pipdiang baro haba pile ya kaba bakla. You have supported each other in tough time. Kasi pi kershan iway ha kapor jong kajing You respect each other. Kasi pi buram ya iway. You feel comfortable with each other. Kasi is also iway. You are honest with each other. Kasi belong bakod iway. You support each other. Kasi pi kershan iway. You don't compete with each other. Kasi pi klem yele iway. You feel secure in your relationship. Kasi pisngeu scam ha kajing yedai jongpi. You make time for each other. Kasi pipen lutbor iway. You help each other. Kasi pi yarab iway. You both listen to each other. Kasi baro pisngap iway. You apologize and forgive each other. Kasi hipan bat iway. You accept each other the way you are. Kasi hipdeng iway kumba pilang. You don't panic. Kasi klempeng. You inspire each other. Kasi mensin iway. When a person tells you about his problems, that means he trusts you. Kasi haba ubriu uyatho ya kajing jeng kamot baru shania yapi. You understand your problem. Kasi peace ngeuto ya kajing jongka. People who love you will forgive your mistake. Kasi ibreu kibae yapi kin maaf ya kajing bakla jongpi. Everyone wants a relationship will last forever. Kasi manla uway wa baga jing yadai kanne hado kabako. You both got lost in everything you do. Kasi pi bo ya ublay nukong ki baro iba pile. When problems comes, you fight together. Kasi haba kijing iwan pi yale barbor. When you are love each other, you are always be happy. Kasi haba pi iway barbor pi long kibakmen. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.